Small business owner, you know it takes more than just skill and creativity to make your business successful. But have you ever wondered what it takes to sell your design business? Now and then I'm approached with that question. And in most cases, the inquiries come from sole proprietors. And I understand why. When you're the only one wearing all 21 hats, what do you really have to sell other than yourself? Well, you might be surprised. I reached out to an expert who spoke at some past AIBD conferences, Patrick Carpenter. He's the president of Grit Business Coaching and a fellow triathlete. Now, according to him, selling a design business with no employees is possible. However, finding an interested party may be more challenging since the potential buyer would likely see the need to invest in resources and personnel in order to make the acquisition profitable for them. Patrick agreed to spend an hour with us online discussing this very topic. The webinar's tomorrow. Hopefully, you've seen the email invites and registered. It's not too late if you haven't. During our conversation about selling a sole proprietorship, Patrick mentioned a term that caught my attention: creative co op. It sounds like starting a creative co op can be an innovative way for multiple independent designers to join forces, to develop resources, and possibly create quantifiable value for each of their independent businesses. As I said, this was the first time I'd heard the term, so I researched. Creative co op is a group of solo entrepreneurs who come together to pool resources, increase collective knowledge and skill sets, source new opportunities, and possibly grow their businesses faster than they ever could have if they were doing it on their own. And when you join a creative co op, you are still the sole proprietor of your business and you remain in complete control over the operations. From what I can tell, joining a creative co-op simply means that you will work collaboratively with other like-minded individuals to access new resources, increase collective knowledge and skills, source new opportunities, and theoretically grow your business faster than you would have if you were all doing it yourselves. Now, in my 35 years of building design, why am I just now hearing about this? Working collaboratively with others to develop ideas and create something unique is not a new concept, and neither are co-ops. In the last century, electricity made its way out to the rural areas thanks to co-ops. They may have been overlooked in certain businesses until recently. Technological advances and the rise of the gig economy may have made it much easier for creative co-ops to form and develop their unique approach. When it comes to selling a business as part of a co-op, or any other design business model for that matter, there are considerations and some prep work that may need to start years before the sale. Join Patrick and me for an exclusive virtual webinar and discover the essential elements to make a successful sale. With over 30 years of experience in senior management and business ownership, Patrick is on hand to provide valuable insights into maximizing your return when selling your company. In this informative webinar, I'll get Patrick to expound on creative co-ops and other ways designers can position themselves to profit from their business when it's time to exit. For example, how to determine if you should sell to another design firm, position a family member to take over, a management buyout, or for the bigger firms, how to set up for an employee stock ownership plan or ESOP. You might just find out it's better to shut the doors and ride off into the sunset. We will discuss topics such as valuation, market trends, financial reporting, and why you should know your competition. Patrick will also have enough time to answer your questions and concerns about the process. Yes, there will be a replay of the presentation available, but you want to take advantage of this unique opportunity to learn from one of the industry's leading business coaches live. Register now for How to Sell Your Design Business at aibd.org/Tuesday at 2. We're migrating to a new webinar platform. Our virtual and hybrid conferences are still hosted on Hopin. But now Hopin has taken the session area out of our virtual conference center and made it its own platform. It's named Session, appropriately, and I think you're going to like it. With the change, we've set up a new registration system. You no longer need a discount code to get the 60% member discount, but you must be able to log into your account in the AIBD Hub. And when you register, you immediately get an email with your unique link to get into the webinar when the time comes. Selling an architectural firm can be complex and challenging, but you can succeed with proper preparation. Let us help you do that. Thanks for watching this entire video. Remember to go back to the email that led you here to see everything that's going on in AIBD. Have a triumphant week.